Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel where today we're going to be recapping the price action from today, April 10th, where we came out with 2R following a break-even trade in the morning and then a really nice long 42-hour setup in the PM session. So let's get right into things. Dropping from the daily chart, I'll just tick off the executions for now. So from the daily chart, I wasn't really going into the day with any sort of bias because yes, we took out these pretty relevant daily highs here, even though we're in close proximity to this long-term high. But as you can see on the other assets, we were just pushing up and up and up. So I was more so waiting for a New York manipulation following Asia and London being consolidations. And let's view that at 9:30. So at 9:30, we can see that on the 7-hour chart, we have this fair value up here, and we had SMT. These are fast forwarded, but take note of this high, which is at 95.25. So on the 30-minute chart, it's this one. So relative to this high, we can see that NQ made a higher high, while ES and YM both made a lower high. So that prompted me to look for short to the current low of day and possibly to these AM lows from yesterday. And if we look on the 15-minute chart here and go to one more. So at 10 a.m., we can see that we have what? A PSP where we closed bearish on NQ, bearish on ES, but bullish on YM. And we have an SMT. So we have SMT between these two 15-minute candles like this. Another SMT like this, and we have a PSP. So we have essentially two cracks, a two-stage cracking correlation, and even a three-stage with these two candles. So that prompted me to look for shorts. And on a 1-minute chart, we can see that we open up. And then right here, all of the assets close below their respective up close candles. And I enter short with my stop above this 10 a.m. High. And I was just looking for a 2-hour trade to these stacked lows here and maybe the previous day's AM session lows. And as you can see, the price was starting to go down here. When we took out these lows, I put my stop to break even, and I was just letting the trade run. And you can see that we were really close to hitting the TP, and then news came out, and we started moving higher, and I got stopped to break even. And I was pretty much just done for the AM session because my whole bias was invalidated. So I was waiting on a PM session setup, and nothing until here about 2:30 was really relevant to me. Why? Because we were just stuck in this consolidation, and I was waiting for this low to get taken and then see a reaction out of it. And that came out here where on the 30-minute chart, we can see that we have, yet again, we have this PSP here. And you can see that we have an SMT fill like this, where YM was higher in the range. But I took NQ because it was the overall strongest one on the higher time frame, and it left a bullish PSP right here. So dropping to the 3-minute chart, let's rewind that back a little. So let's go to here. And you can see that we have the nice 30-minute that closed as a C2. We have the confirmation here. And then when we closed really fast in this first 3-minute candle, that's when I took my entry. So it was on this candle, like this. So my entry was on this candle with the stop below the T spot, where I didn't want to see. This was also acting as a protected low, where we sweep out this low and then close fast above it. So this was also a bullish order block, which I was hoping to hold price to the upside. So yeah, this was the setup. We can see that we also have these two fair value gaps, which held price to the upside. And then my target were these highs here, and just above them for a nice 2-hour trade. This is pretty much going to be it. Let's put up the executions again. Oh, wait. Oh, we're in replay mode. Let's see, do they show up? Yeah, okay. So yeah, this is pretty much going to be it. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed, please let me know by liking and sharing the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Until next time, see you. Peace.